Tough jobs just got easier. From cutting to drilling, sanding to spraying, these tools are built to do it all. Let's check out 10 powerful gadgets that belong in every serious workspace. Like, subscribe and tap the bell so you don't miss future tool reviews. Number 10, WORX Nitro Switch Driver 2.0. Imagine a drill that never slows you down, even on your toughest projects. That's exactly what the WORX Nitro Switch Driver 2.0 delivers. This isn't just any power tool, it's a time-saving, frustration-killing game changer. Forget the hassle of constantly swapping bits. Thanks to its innovative rotating dual chuck design, you can switch between 1/4-inch hex bits with a quick squeeze and spin, cutting your job time in half. It's built for smooth transitions between drilling and driving. No downtime, no fidgeting, no lost momentum. At its core is a high-performance brushless motor, cranking out a powerful 442 inch-pounds of torque. Compared to standard motors, it runs 50% longer and is 25% more powerful. And with a 2-speed gearbox, 0 to 450 saps, 0 to 1,700 RPM, and digital keypad offering 9 torque settings, you have precision and power in your hands. Whether you're working on delicate cabinet hinges or driving tough screws into hardwood. Number 9, WORX Nitro 20V Circular Saw. If you recently needed to cut plywood for a coffee table, the WORX Nitro 20V Circular Saw likely came to the rescue. This model packs a 4.5-inch blade with a 3/8-inch arbor, spinning at 4,500 RPM for clean, precise cuts up to 1 to 5,700 inches deep. Thanks to its brushless motor, it offers 50% longer runtime and 25% more power, slicing through 2-inch stock effortlessly. The left-sided blade gives you a perfect line of sight, while the 0 to 46-degree bevel adjustment handles angle cuts. Weighing only 5.1 pounds with an ergonomic grip and a dust port, it's ideal for woodworking tasks like tabletops and framing projects. Number 8, WORX WX 381 Rotary Hammer. Helping a friend renovate their kitchen, the WORX WX 381 Rotary Hammer is a total game changer. This 20V cordless rotary hammer delivers 1.1 joules of impact energy and features a brushless motor that hits 1,050 RPM and 4,750 BPM across 3 modes: drilling, hammer drilling, and chiseling. Perfect for wood, steel, or concrete up to 1 inch thick. It includes an anti-vibration system, ergonomic grip, and LED work light. At 6.4 pounds, with a 2.5 amp-hour battery, it features a depth gauge and SDS Plus chuck for fast bit swaps. Whether you're mounting heavy shelves or tackling masonry, this hammer is built for serious work. Number 7, WORX Nitro 20V 3-speed impact driver. Building a deck or driving screws into hardwood? Meet the WORX Nitro 20V 3-speed impact driver, your power pack solution. Its brushless motor delivers 1,800 inch-pounds of torque across 3 speed settings, maxing out at 3,000 RPM and 3,900 BPM. With a 1/4-inch hex chuck for quick bit changes and a variable speed trigger, you get precision for both light and heavy-duty tasks. Weighing only 3.1 pounds, the micro-textured grip and LED light make long jobs easier. And yes, it's fully compatible with other WORX Powershare batteries. A true beast for pergolas, furniture builds, or major fastening tasks. Number 6, WORX Nitro 4.5-inch angle grinder. Need raw power in your hands? Whether you're grinding metal, cutting tile, or sculpting wood, the WORX Nitro 4.5-inch angle grinder is your go-to powerhouse for workshop precision and toughness. This isn't your average grinder. Powered by a high-efficiency brushless motor, it spins at a blazing 10,000 RPM, delivering 25% more power and 50% longer life than traditional models. That means smoother cuts, faster results, and less wear over time, even under heavy load. Cut through wood, metal, or tile up to 1.25 inches deep with ease. Its tool-free safety guard lets you make quick adjustments without breaking your workflow, while the spindle lock allows for fast, hassle-free disc swaps. Weighing just 5.5 pounds, its slim, ergonomic design and auxiliary handle give you full control, even in tight corners or overhead work. Whether you're smoothing welds, cutting rebar, or shaping custom furniture. Number 5, WORX Powershare 7.25 Sliding Compound Miter Saw. Want flawless miter cuts without the bulk? Meet the WORX Powershare 7.25 Sliding Compound Miter Saw, your ultimate precision weapon for trim, molding, and custom framing. Powered by a high-performance brushless motor, this saw spins its 7.25-inch blade at 3,200 RPM, making smooth, accurate cuts through wood like a pro. Whether you're slicing baseboards, crown molding, or hardwood trim, it handles materials up to 2.25 by 9.25 at 90 degrees with ease. The sliding rail system extends your reach for wider boards, while 0 to 45 degrees bevel and miter angle adjustments let you tackle complex corner cuts and angles without breaking a sweat. It's perfect for detailed projects where precision is key. Plus, it's Powershare battery compatible, so you can swap batteries between other WORX tools, saving time and money. For pro-level cuts on the go, this miter saw checks every box. Number 4. WORX Nitro 20V Paint Sprayer. Still using messy brushes? Upgrade to the WORX Nitro 20V Paint Sprayer, a smarter, cleaner way to paint. With X-Boost turbine technology, it delivers smooth, even coats on wood, metal, and more, all with adjustable flow control for precision and efficiency. Its 1-quart canister covers up to 400 square feet per charge with a 2.0 amp-hour battery, giving you serious coverage in one go. Weighing just 2.9 pounds, it's lightweight, comfortable, and perfect for long sessions. Choose from 3 spray patterns, horizontal, vertical, or round, to handle everything from wide surfaces to tight corners. And when the job's done, the tool-free nozzle and quick clean system make cleanup a breeze. From fences to furniture, this sprayer delivers professional-level results without the mess. Paint smarter, finish faster. Number 3. WORX WX 543 HighPerformance Jigsaw. Shaping a curved headboard? The WORX WX 543 HighPerformance Jigsaw keeps your cuts smooth and precise. With a brushless motor offering 0 to 3,500 strokes per minute, it cuts wood up to 2 inches or steel up to 10 millimeters. Use its 4-position orbital action for speed or precision. The 0 to 45 degree bevel base adjusts easily, and the tool-free T-shank clamp makes blade swaps fast. Weighing 5.1 pounds, it features a grip zone handle, LED light, and vacuum adapter, perfect for detailed woodworking or custom decor projects. Number 2. WORX Nitro 18 Gauge Nail and Staple Gun. Ditch the bulky compressor and upgrade your toolkit with the WORX Nitro 18 Gauge Nail and Staple Gun, a compact powerhouse built for precision and speed. Whether you're installing trim, assembling furniture, or crafting detailed woodwork, this cordless tool makes every shot count. It effortlessly fires 18-gauge brad nails up to 1 to 9/30 seconds inch, and crown staples ranging from 1/4 to 9/16, delivering up to 80 nails per minute. Thanks to air impact technology, it packs serious punch, offering up to 2,000 shots per charge on a 2.0 amp-hour battery. Number 1. WORX 20V Wet Dry Vacuum. Done with the mess? Let the WORX 20V Wet Dry Vacuum handle the dirty work like a pro. Designed for serious workshops, this cordless vacuum delivers powerful cleanup with its 2-in-1 10-gallon tank, effortlessly managing both wet spills and dry debris. Its brushless motor cranks out 65 CFM of suction, ensuring no sawdust or scrap gets left behind. At just 7.1 pounds, it's light and portable, with a 10-foot hose that reaches every corner of your workspace. Powered by the WORX Powershare battery, you'll get up to 20 minutes of runtime per charge. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tools coming your way.